Okay, here we are today. Look at this mine. It goes down in there. We're gonna try and get down in here. There's a passage over here that goes underneath me. And then there's a ladder right there I can see, and it goes that way and then straight down. So we're gonna check it out. Les is getting all geared up. And we'll let you, I'll bring you in on when he gets ready. This way. Okay?
Just pull it as you need it. Yeah. Feed it.
Oh, this ain't bad.
Once you get past that one bird's nest.
How new is the ladder down there? It's really fucking old, huh?
There's a horizontal, right?
Yeah, it's right here.
Right there. There's a lot of debris in front of it. Oh, this one's kind of sketchy.
Yeah, right there.
Are you filming me, Scott?
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh, yeah. So this one, 8x8 here.
Turn on your camera now.
So you hit before you can move down. That's about 60 foot of rope so far.
Yeah. Here. Let's see if I can get a better view here.
How long is this rope, Scott?
About 200.
Okay. He's over halfway through it easily.
Oh, I see what it's doing.
Yeah. See how he does those knots?
Oh, God.
And they break loose. Yeah.
Is it still vertical? Not too bad.
Tell him the rope's getting to the end on my side.
We're getting...
Okay, here it is, Scott.
Okay, we're at the end of the rope up here, but you still got your length.
What?
The end of the rope is up here, but you still got the length that going down.
Oh, you're at the end?
Yeah, up here.
Wow, that's 150 feet
Yeah.
total.
What is it, 150?
Look like I'm 70.
What do I do with this end? Hold on to it?
Now you can just let go.
Okay, I don't want it to catch on any of those timbers right there.
Yeah, well, hopefully it doesn't. I'll have to climb in there.
Yeah, I tried to pitch it further. I don't think it will. That little light you see down there, that's less.
The rope hung up on something?
No,
Yeah, it is. Pull
not
it.
yet.
Give it a pull.
Pull it a little bit.
Or whiplash. Yeah, it's hung up on that just like I thought it was going to. Is it caught? Is it caught? It's caught on that.
Yeah.
Need a board?
Yes, hand him that board right there. He can then catch it with that.
Mm.
The rope isn't giving me anything.
Yeah, hold on.
It's caught on something.
We got the knot of it.
Heavy.
The knot is caught on the wood that right at the beginning here.
That was going to happen.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's the only thing that'll reach it.
Dang it.
They're kind of big if it falls.
Yeah. Hold on, don't knock stuff.
Sorry.
You okay now?
I see the bottom.
All right. A lot of debris.
So you've got both your hands.
Yeah, it's...
Oh, God, sorry. I'm not anywhere near the gravel.
Heads up, buddy.
I'm sorry.
It's going that way. That's good.
I see his light down there.
Yeah. Is it stuck again?
Yeah, but I see the bottom. I'm going to try to hand it.
Okay.
With my hand.
You can climb up and get the rope on done.
It's been backfilled at the bottom. So I'm about 75 feet down, maybe a little less.
Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely not a straight shot to the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
So we never would have been able to fish this one with the GoPro.
No. Afra, be careful. Don't say it. Oh, great.
What did he say?
Rats. The rats down there. That means they're getting in from over there.
Yeah, like Indiana Jones and the Crystal Skull in the Last Crusade.
Yeah.
Last Crusade, all those rats underneath the Catholic Church. In their honeycombs.
Yeah.
All those catacombs, right?
Catacombs. Okay, we're gonna... Oh. Okay.
He knows how to turn that GoPro on, right?
Yeah.
He's had them before, so hopefully you guys got a video of the whole thing down there.
Yeah, that'd be good.
You guys just take that home. He's the one taking the risk. You can have the video.
Well, we can send you a copy
That's all right.
if you want.
I'm not so much in it so much for that as we
Just,
can write this off the list that we know he's not here.
yeah. Or him or anybody else. I have a feeling there's somebody else out here.
Well, I'll say this, Scott.
Yeah.
I don't think that Dylan Rounds is the first person that
No.
Jim Brenner's murdered. I don't think that at all. I think that he's killed other people.
Oh,
I
yeah,
don't
he's
blame
probably...
the parents for not wanting to let him out. Don't make a deal. I
It's
agree
been
with him
backfilled
wholeheartedly.
in.
What did he say?
What?
The ladder goes into dirt.
Oh.
So that means there's more below him, huh?
Yeah, that means there's, it went deeper at one time.
Yeah, they just caved it in down there, huh?
Yeah. All the stuff fell in and buried the ladder.
Balls of steel, brother. Look at that, he's right up fuck down there. The light's just a little pinhead.
Yeah. It looks like there's a vertical going into the mountain here.
A horizontal?
Vertical.
I mean, a horizontal going that way. Is there?
There's a little cubby heading
Oh.
towards you.
He said a
Oh.
lot of it was
But
caved
nothing.
in.
I'm gonna try to get in that horizontal right here.
Yeah, on this
but
side.
there's a lot of debris in front of it.
The top. And you can tar the bottom. The best ones are out of the burn areas where they've been flash burned, Scott.
Oh, yeah?
And they naturally get a creosote coating from being flash burned.
Hmm.
And juniper fence posts are by far the best. It's this type of cedar.
I'm having a good time.
He's having a good time. Watch out for that sharp piece of whatever it is.
I want to get in there.
Yeah, that looks interesting over here.
Budweiser.
Yeah, there's a horizontal right where he's
That's a
at,
frickin'-
down at about 30 feet.
There's the ore vein. Oh crap! Oh, horizontal right behind me.
Yeah, that's what I was
I
saying.
didn't see that.
It looks like it goes that way.
When you're concentrating going down, that's the last thing you're looking
Or
at is
up,
what's
you're
behind
looking
you.
at that
Yeah.
rope pretty hard.
Yes, sir.
But how do you get over there from the...
He's going to do the Indiana
The
Jones
rope.
and swing the rope.
Swing it, baby.
We can always move the rope over to the other side of this grill,
Hmm.
of this grade anyway.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And that way, if I fall, it's not too far. Still gonna hurt.
Be careful, brother.
Standing on a beam right now. Going this way.
Sure you got plenty of slack with your rope.
I'm tied off.
Still tied off. You
I get
just
hurt.
got a
Die.
5 foot fall.
You're almost 60. Even the 5-footers hurt.
Yeah.
A 1 incher hurts.
No shit, huh?
Size of a blade.
There he
There
goes.
he is. Yeah, I saw his foot disappear. I'm going to go ahead and shut off. Until I run out of data on this, I'll just...
Hmm.
Boy, there he goes.
He's going quite a
I
ways.
can hear it.
Yeah.
There's gonna be some editing involved. But that's pretty cool.
Yeah. What does
That
there?
just goes back.
Here's the bottom line. Les.
Just goes back and stops right there.
Good cause. We're making sure that there's not an individual down here.
That's the one that's curious because, I mean, I could crawl right there and stand right there and.
Now watch your back on that rock.
Bet it can shimmy on down. You got a little bit on your phone for you.
Okay, that's fine. I appreciate it, Les. Like I said, I'm not so much interested in that as just making sure that that kid's not down here. That's the most important.
Yeah, he's not down. So the ladder goes into dirt.
Uh-huh.
It's all covered, so it's been backfilled. So there's probably good ore still down there. That's when they do that.
This one doesn't connect to the lower one, right?
You're gonna see right here.
Okay.
Give it a try.
If that connects, I want to come in.
Scott.
You're heavy. We'll start pulling it together.
Yeah, slowly with me.
I can't reach.
The worst thing is if this gets stuck on something, you got to go back down and untangle it. And been there.
That sucks.
Yeah, that was fun, Scott.
Mm-hmm.
That was a good climb for one-handed. Good times there,
Right on, brother.
Ty. Good times.
Like a mute.
Not too
Looks
far.
like 10 feet from where he's at.
Oh, it's starting to move.
That's still tough.
Yeah, pull it up above. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, yeah. Right on.
It's got that knot on the end of it. That may not be.
I'm gonna try this, Scott.
Okay.
Anything you want to hand me before you... Oh, you're not coming up. That's right.
This.
Do I need to tie off this other side at all?
No.
It should be. He's still using this knot here.
Okay.
Tight squeeze.
Tight one.
Descending on these things sucks.
Mm-hmm.
This rope as he needs it.
He's right in the small part of it.
These rocks away from the edge.
Hopefully it goes somewhere. It sucks if it just stops.
I'll bet it does go somewhere. Look at these timbers that they tried to block it off with.
Mm-hmm.
Making some progress.
Down in, I can't. There he goes. Once I get down there, okay. Put my foot here. His lesson's right there.
He's already up back up here.
It's kind of tricky coming down.
Yeah.
There's something to hold on to.
Yeah, that's the wood that's falling in the rocks. I can't see. Put my light on. It's gonna be fun getting up. Okay, I gotta somehow get my other hand. Wes, are you there?
Yeah.
What?
Is this on?
Yeah. It's on right now. I just gotta use two hands to
Yeah.
get down.
You're gonna dangle.
Dangle it. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, it's something right there. Ugh. Okay, put my hand here. Bye, guys. Okay, I'm safe. Don't worry about me now. Oh, wow. Okay.
Down there.
This kind of just, yeah, like all caved in right there. And then you gotta be careful going out. And it just kind of goes on an angle. Yeah, because I'm standing up right here, but this is a little dusty. This used to be a lot bigger. Don't want to knock too much, because that means I gotta get lower. Look at this. That's crawling. I'm like on my belly here. This is like the Nutty Putty Cave. Yeah. Oh wow. This looks like that other vertical. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Oh. It's like a vein right there. Oh, room. Look at these timbers. How did they get these down here? Well, I think probably from that other way. Yeah. Look at that rat poop. Okay. And another one. Another way. On my butt. Sliding down the Milky Way. Is that an ore cart? Where? These? Oh, those are just the wood, huh?
Yeah, the rails.
They'll slide it.
So that goes down to that horizontal below.
Oh, really?
And I think this one goes over to that vertical.
Oh, yeah, this is probably.
It's sketchy to get in.
Oh, yeah, look at
Try it. Pretty narrow.
Stops right there. Yeah, for little short people. Well, honestly dive in here. Oh. Let's see. Ow. Does it keep going? Hey. They keep going right there? Huh. You guys hear us? That's the vertical, and it keeps going down, just like straight down like a tube. Yeah, that's that other vertical. I mean, stay there. Huh. But I can't get close enough to look at it because it is sketchy. Oh boy. It's like a well. Yeah. Crazy how all these little mines connect up. Yeah. And that one horizontal with the gate on it was the exit. Was the way out. So we gotta go back up through where we came down, huh? Yep. Well, let's. You want to go on that as a horizontal? It don't go much. Yeah, I wanted to see what it's like. Yeah. Head out. What's this? And get somebody's button. That's it. A button. That's mine.
Yeah.
Great. My peanut's gonna come out now.
Uh-oh. You have
Getting that on video.
a cow's getting on the barn. Okay. Oh. It's hard to climb with only one hand.
Yeah, cameras are fun.
People don't realize how really
It's
hard.
fake. Remember?
It's fake. Yeah, that's what people keep posting, fake.
Fake.
Oh, did you see this one?
Yeah, we don't go anywhere.
That's just blocked there. So I gotta go down?
That goes the horizontal.
Okay.
I'm gonna edit.
Alright. Little worm tunnels everywhere. What's this? Oh, here's the vertical. Holy crap. You see that rat? Big rat. Oh, it goes down more. There's the rat. Very big. Cable's still on here. Where's the cable going to? Oh, it's just swinging. I can't turn my camera around. Just swinging in the air for years and years. The thing, I don't see any. Just go straight down. And the ladder's broke right there. But that's the bottom. If there's a body, it would be right there. And that stops over there. I don't know if I want to trust this wood too well. Let's see. It does go. Let's go back a little bit. The ladder broke right there. I might be, I don't know, it's kind of scary. Need another rope. Okay, I don't think Les saw this. Okay, let's go this way. Can almost stand up, not quite. There's the daylight. This is crumbly. A little crumbly. What do we got here? Brake fluid? I don't have brake fluid. A&W. Can you stand up?
That little drop is a little more difficult than the rest of them.
Yeah,
Oh, is he standing up now?
I think so. It's in the little vertical. Yeah,